severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated. We'll have this weather watches and warning for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Buckingham, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio.
Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Surface high pressure will continue to bring dry weather conditions through midweek. The next chance of precipitation will arrive late Thursday into Friday as a frontal system approaches the Ohio Valley. The threat for precipitation will continue through the weekend as low pressure tracks through the Great Lakes. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast.